Are you new to Python and feeling a bit overwhelmed by the vast amount of information out there? Do not worry, you are not alone. In this video, we will be tackling the most frequently asked Python questions to help you get a better understanding of this powerful programming language. One of the top questions is, what is Python used for? Python is a versatile language used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Its simplicity and readability make it a popular choice among programmers all levels. Another common question is, how to install Python? It is easy. You can download the latest version of Python from the official website and follow the installation instructions. One question that often comes up is, what are Python's data types? Python supports various data types, including integers, floats, strings, lists, and dictionaries. Understanding these data types is essential for writing efficient code. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced coder, these answers to the top Python facts will help you on your programming journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our Agile Project Insights channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.